is so beautiful. I must say, I feel extremely grateful to be living here where I am now, because for the lockdown rules and the exercise rules, it's allowed me to come into the mountains. I probably haven't used it as much as I should, if that's a thing. If I look at some people who live in the middle of a really big city and they aren't able to leave to go into the mountains because of the distance rule. Sometimes I feel bad that I didn't, come up here every single day. But man, I've appreciated every single time I have. It is so... There's just something about being out in nature that you just can't beat.